Now, let me start by saying why a header is one of my favourite mods. So the reason for that is because a long tube header is going to benefit anyone regardless of where your build's at, whether you're supercharged or you're NA. Obviously, if you're turbocharged, then this is probably not going to apply to you. The reason that the ARH header in particular is my favourite header is because it comes mandrel bent, so there's minimal welding joints in here, so that's less likely to break in future. These are available in 1 3/4 inch and 1 7/8 inch. They're also available in 2 inch for your left-hand drive models. And the main reason I like these headers so much is because they are equal length, which no other manufacturer for the right-hand drive market is doing. So the difference between an equal length header and a non-equal length header is that every one of these pipes on an ARH equal length header is the exact same length. Now this is used for exhaust scavenging, which actually gives you a little bit more at the top end while sacrificing a tiny bit down low. The headers also have a completely different fitment type to all the other right-hand drive headers. They all have their own fitment type, but basically this connecting pipe on the ARH is really nice. It's a sleeve fit, which is normally standard on most exhausts, but when you come into right-hand drive headers for Mustangs, you normally either get an olive type fitting or you get a flange fitting, whereas this is a slip fitting, and in our experience it's the most reliable for keeping that exhaust in place. Now, I've said these are my favourite header, and they are, but they're not the most expensive either. These are actually mid-range for right-hand drive cars. That's with cats as well. ARH offer a range of cats from standard cats to the upgraded green cats. And on a final note, I just want to mention the engine mount upgrade. While we do the headers, will be highly recommended, just because it's an absolute nightmare to get to them when the headers are already being installed. If you've any questions about the ARH long tube headers, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.